Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a website using Claude AI in just a few simple steps. First, open Claude AI and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see a chat interface where you can give instructions. Now type a prompt like build a simple website with a homepage and contact information. Then press enter and wait a few seconds. Claude will generate the code or structure for your website based on your prompt. Once it's done, you'll see your basic website ready. But you're not limited to that. You can customize it further. For example, you can type another prompt like add an about section and change the color theme. Claude will update the website according to your new instructions. After a few seconds, you'll see your site improved with multiple sections like home, about, and contact, along with the updated design. And that's it. You can keep refining your website just by giving simple prompts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.